Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an essential topic to discuss that will revolutionize the way you browse the internet and protect your online privacy. We will be diving into the world of VPNs, virtual private networks. So what exactly is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it's a powerful tool that allows you to create a secure connection between your device and the internet. It acts as a middleman, encrypting your data and routing it to server. Now I'm gonna tell you about the uses of VPN. The number one use is enhancing online security and privacy by encrypting your data. This means that all your data that you are using on VPN will be encrypted in codes, and no unauthorized user will be able to access your data. Even if a hacker, if he tries to hack your data, he won't be able to have access to your data. This is because all your data will be encrypted in codes. And the second use is bypassing geo restriction to access region locked content. This means that some every container hand is different servers, and some apps are limited to only to those servers, and other servers cannot access those apps. So by using VPN you can also access those apps and play games that are available at those servers. Third use of VPN is that you can is safely accessing public Wi-Fi networks and protecting sensitive information. This means that you can safely access any network, and any if you are sharing any sensitive information, it will be saved and no one will be able to access to it. And the fourth use is anonymous browsing and preventing websites from tracking your online activities. This means that when you will be using VPN, your identity will be anonymous. No one will be able to know your identity, and no website will be able to track you. And the fifth use is secure remote access to company networks for business and remote workers. This means that the members of an organization that are far from their company, they can have a secure remote access by using the VPN, and they can do their organization jobs. And the sixth use of VPN is protecting against ISP, Internet Service Provider, tracking and monitoring. This means that by encrypting your data, a VPN prevents hackers, ISPs, and even government agencies from intercepting and accessing your sensitive information. Number 7 point is securing online banking and financial transactions. This means that all the banking transactions and financial transactions that you have made on VPN will be secure. And use 8 is preventing censorship and maintaining freedom of speech. This means that the VPN gives you totally a platform of freedom of speech. Use number 9 is shielding your IP address and maintaining online anonymity. This means that your IP address that you use on VPN will be secured, and you will be totally anonymous to all the other users. And the use number 10 is securely downloading and sharing files. As I have stated above, that VPN is totally secure, and you can securely download files and no one will have access to your files. So these are all the uses. Now let's proceed towards the next step, which is installation. First, go to the Play Store, click VPN Tomato, and it will show the result. VPN Tomato, I have already installed it, so it's gonna give me the option to update. I'm gonna update the Tomato VPN. Let's wait for it to update. Now let's open VPN Tomato. It will take some time. It also gives us ad. That's how they earn money. Now there will be 3 bars on the top left corner. Here there are options of upgrade to VIP. When you will upgrade to VIP, you will have a contract with the VPN to some and you will be given some more extra features. Now, and another is my VIP account. And VIP account also means that having access to more servers. Now you're gonna go to the region selector. Here there are many regions. As you can see, many of them are free, but some are VIP, because you will need a VIP account to access those. Now you will go to the apps using VPN. Select the app that you want to use the VPN, and if you don't want an app to use the VPN, off it. And it has also some another options of terms of services, FAQs, feedback. Let's go to feedback. You can also input your feedback so they can know if there are any mistakes in the app. Now we will go to the privacy policy. Here you can see all the privacy policy, that your information will be secured and won't be accessed by others. Some other options of FAQs and terms of service. We will go to the terms of service and we're gonna know that what services will be provided and what are their terms, that what we must do. Now the FAQs, we can ask multiple questions about the VPN. It has many questions. Now let's select a region. We're gonna select a region, and now it's connecting. Let's wait for it to be 100%. When it will be 100%, it will be connected and the VPN will be ready to use. Now as you can see, the VPN is working. Now I will have to disconnect it. As you can see, click the cross button and start disconnecting. It will give many of ads. So now we are gonna disconnecting it. So this was all. Thank you for watching video. If you don't found this video helpful, if you don't forget to give it that thumbs up app and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay safe and secure online with the power of VPN.